Ever since I started selling lip gloss, making lip gloss, ain't no way you fixing to catch me out here dry lip making a video. That's like catching the stylist out with her hair nappy. Although it does happen, you do better, okay? Do better. This has been let me start over because I did not sleep with y'all last night. Welcome back to my channel. It's Jackie here. Hey guys, I see some people already came in and claimed their chair. Thank you for subscribing. And for my seasoned subscribers, you already know what it is. Today I'm doing a highly requested video, which some of y'all might be disappointed after y'all see this video and saying, well damn. But I've had a whole lot of people in my DMs on Instagram and under my videos here wanting me to show you guys how to make sweetener. Ask me how I get my glosses to taste, how they smell. Yeah, so like if it's cotton candy, you just don't get the cotton candy scent, you get the taste of the cotton candy. Everybody knows, because when I initially started buying oils and everything to flavor my glosses, it just bugged me. It really bugged me that I was getting all these these tasty, delicious scents, but it didn't have a taste to it. Like that, for me, I couldn't. Like, it worked my entire nerve. So I did my research and everything, because I was like, okay, I need to find some kind of way to sweeten these glosses so I can give them the taste that they so much deserve. Okay, so that is what I did. I researched and I researched and I researched, because I didn't want nothing, I didn't want to claim vegan glosses but putting something chemical in them, you know what I mean? So I did my research, and you guys, there is like, all you gotta do is research. Most people are looking for somebody to give them the answers to everything, but all you have to do is research. Put it in Google, and take the time to actually do the research, and the answers are right in front of you. So like when I say, y'all gonna be disappointed when I tell y'all the tea, okay? So I sell, how do you pronounce it? Sucralose? Let me pull this up, because I ain't never been able to say it right, but that's all right. Sucralose. SUCRALOSE. Okay, it's clear. Oh, here I go with this body. But there you go, I'm getting the hang of this. It's clear. And this is an artificial sweetener. Yeah, and it's supposed to be said to be 600 to 700 times sweeter than sugar, like cane sugar. But it's in the family with stevia, but it's a liquid form. And anybody that has tasted stevia, it has like a bitter taste at the ending of it. It's sweet, but when you get to the ending of it, it's like that. Ooh, that bitter taste. That is the sucralose, whatever. This, that's what that is. It's a artificial sweetener substitute, and it's in the family with the stevia, and it's also safe to put in your glosses or whatever. But I don't like that aftertaste. Although I offer it because somebody might like that or whatever. Because when I first started off making lip balms, I was putting the organic agave, AGAVE, the organic agave, because I saw a video that was made years ago, and they said pretty much, okay, find something natural to sweeten it with if you was just wanting a little hint of sweetness or whatever. And I chose to use the organic agave. This too is agave nectar, and it's a natural, but it's just not sweet enough for me. It's the agave in the raw. And as far as expiration dates, like on this bottle it says 10/9/22, and I've had this for about 4 months now, and it doesn't expire until 2022. So I guess people will be finished the damn lip gloss or whatever before the expiration come. I mean the lip balm, because lip balms don't last that long, whatever. And this too is a natural sweetener, same as honey. That was also a suggestion. The 100% honey, which I can't even find a expiration date on that, because I don't even think honey expired. Well, it can't, because I done had honey that sit in my dang gone closet for almost a year, and it lasts me buku, because it seems like I'm the only one that likes honey in this house. Well, my twins, they starting to like it now, I guess. But we just recently got a brand new bottle in there because they see it was getting low. But I was the only one that ate honey, and it lasts me forever. But I don't even see an expiration date on the dang gone honey. So, and that's a natural sweetener. But everybody knows honey has its own desired taste too. So you can use honey depending on what taste you're going for. Like if you wanted it to taste like honey, then okay, by all means you can use a little bit of this, but you have to mix it. Make sure you mix it so it doesn't separate. I haven't had any separation problems or anything with either of these that I used before. But I don't use the honey and the agave or the sucralose or whatever how you pronounce it or whatever. Those are not I wouldn't recommend them, because it's like a taste. I mean, it all got to do with the taste that you go for. But as far as what I use, was everybody been asking me how to make sweetener. I don't know how to make sweetener. Like I said, all you have to do is do your research. What I use for sweetener is, and I don't have the bottle because like the bottle, I buy it by bulk because it's just easier and cheaper for me. Like some people, it's kind of on the pricey side or whatever, but it makes more sense to me to buy it in bulk than keep buying little bottles or whatever. And so I just offer them and buy bottles and sell it like that, because some people, they don't have money like that to spend on bulk bottles and big bottles or whatever. And like that's why I started doing wholesale, to offer small quantities and to kind of like cater to everybody that couldn't buy bulk and spend bulk money type thing. But the answer to all your questions with sweetening your gloss is monk fruit. Monk fruit. And this is how it looks. Although when you put it into your, like, it has the same, well, a little thinner than honey, but it's natural sweetener. It's monk fruit extract. So I'm going to tell you to go do some more research. Don't take my word for it. But it has to be 23 times sweeter than sugar. Now when I say 600 on the scale, when I was talking about the Sucralose or whatever, that was on a different scale. But this right here doesn't get sweet enough for me, and it leaves that bitter taste. But this right here is the sweetest that you're going to find anything, and you only need a couple of drops in each batch that you're making, because you don't want it to taste like candy, of course. But this right here is the business. Monk fruit. And this is how you, well, it's backwards, so I'll make sure I put it on the bottom right here. But monk fruit is the answer to sweetening your glosses. And when it comes to any type of sweetener, like with natural sweeteners, when you add it to oils, it adds to its lifetime. Like pretty much a lot of stuff that you add oil to, it preserves it and makes it last even longer. But yeah, monk fruit. Monk fruit is what I use to sweeten my glosses. I stopped sweetening my wholesale bags because, like I said, this stuff is pricey, and I wasn't adding the sweetener price into the pouches and stuff that I was making. And I was like, okay, no, If they want their glosses sweetened, they could just buy a bottle and sweeten it, because I'm losing money that way sweetening glosses, like the pouches. Now my own glosses that I sell in my shop, they're all sweetened, and if not, it'll say that in the description that it's not sweetened. But there you go, guys. There you have it. Sweetener. The sweetener that I use, not make. You can order this. Just put it in Google and see who sells. But make sure when you're looking up monk fruit to buy, make sure that is the first and only ingredient. If it has anything else in there, no, it's watered down. It's not monk fruit. But you can get monk fruit in powder, sugar form, powder form. That's not what you don't want to go to the store and buy powder form and try to turn it into a liquid, because it's not gonna work out good for you, because it's powder. And it don't matter how you mix it, it's not gonna come out looking like this. So monk fruit is what you want to buy to put into your glosses to make them smell, to make them taste exactly how they smell. Like my sweet tooth collection, everything tastes exactly like what it is. Like the cinnamon, the strawberry swirl, the blueberries and cream, all of that, peaches and cream, it tastes exactly like what it is, because monk fruit. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got something out of this video, because I've had a whole lot of people asking me to do this video, but it's just simply monk fruit, and that is your natural sweetener. Yes, natural. So it is still vegan, so you can still call your glosses vegan, because that's what it is. And stay tuned for more videos, because like I said, I'm pushing them out. As long as y'all watching, I'm gonna keep doing the dang thing. So there you have it, monk fruit. So stay tuned for more videos, and remember to be you, because only you can do it best. I had on lashes earlier, but child, it was irritating my eyes. I had to pull them wings off. You see that?